Talk about something that unites people from different countries and backgrounds, then sports. Football per se is one. It was very heartwarming to see Nigerian and German under 17 female footballers grooving happily to Kizz Daniel's latest song Cough after the Nigerian team beat their female German counterparts 3-2. The Nigerian Flamingos were celebrating their victory for winning bronze at the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup, but then the German babes joined in the dance to celebrate their counterparts. Well, there is joy in celebrating others' good fortunes, right? Positive vibes all the way. Please subscribe to this channel, NG, for more updates. Do not forget to like and share this video, and also drop your comments down in the comment section. I am Blessing Izija. Thanks for watching.